Hi folks, hope you're having a great day. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer, and right now we're going to take a look at these bottle gourds that I've planted. The seeds, they seem to be sprouting. So we're getting excited about that. Now I put this mulch in here to help with the moisture content of the soil. So we're going to go ahead and test this soil. Let's see what the moisture content is. Okay, here's a three-way tester. It's showing pretty significant moisture content at this location that I just sprayed a bunch of water onto. So that tells us that this is definitely working. So let's take it, pull it out. Now let's see what the reading is. Good. And we're going to place this directly into the ground right over here. See? Only a few inches deep, because that's where we want to test. And let's see what kind of moisture content we have. Now the last time I watered this was 4 days ago. So what we're seeing here is that the soil is maintaining a fair amount of moisture 4 days after it has been watered. So that's a good thing. That means that this mulch is actually doing its job. So I'll probably go ahead and water this again tomorrow. Anyhow, we're doing good here with our bottle gourds so far. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these bottle gourds here in Zone 9B of Florida. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.